Welcome to Sci Discovery Chronicles, where we dive into the fascinating world of science and innovation. Today, we're exploring a topic that's shaping the future of our planet's renewable energy. The global shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources is not just a trend. It's a necessity driven by the urgent need to combat climate change, reduce pollution, and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. In this video, we'll journey through the advancements in renewable energy technologies, the challenges we face in this transition, and the promising future that lies ahead. The energy crisis and the need for change. For over a century, our world has been powered primarily by fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. These energy sources have fueled industrial revolutions, driven economic growth, and brought unprecedented levels of comfort and convenience to billions of people. However, this progress has come at a significant cost. Fossil fuel consumption is the leading cause of greenhouse gas emissions, which are driving climate change and its associated impacts, including rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and loss of biodiversity. The finite nature of fossil fuels also poses a critical problem. As these resources become scarcer, the costs of extraction rise, leading to economic and geopolitical tensions. Moreover, reliance on fossil fuels contributes to air and water pollution, which has severe consequences for public health and the environment. The urgency to transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources has never been greater. Renewable energy derived from natural processes that are continuously replenished offers a solution to these pressing challenges. But how exactly do these technologies work, and what hurdles do we need to overcome to make renewable energy the dominant force in global power generation? Understanding renewable energy sources. Renewable energy encompasses a variety of technologies that harness natural forces to generate electricity and heat. Let's take a closer look at the most prominent sources: solar power. Solar energy is perhaps the most well-known form of renewable energy. It involves capturing sunlight using photovoltaic PV cells, which convert solar radiation directly into electricity. The simplicity and scalability of solar panels have made them a popular choice for both residential and commercial applications. Beyond electricity, solar thermal systems can harness the sun's energy to heat water or buildings. Wind energy. Wind power harnesses the kinetic energy of moving air to generate electricity. Wind turbines, often seen dotting landscapes or off coastlines, convert the mechanical energy of wind into electrical power. Wind energy is particularly effective in regions with strong, consistent winds, such as coastal areas and open plains. Hydropower. Hydroelectric power is one of the oldest and most widely used forms of renewable energy. It involves using the flow of water, typically from rivers or dams, to spin turbines that generate electricity. While traditional large-scale hydropower projects can have significant environmental impacts, smaller-scale and run-of-river hydropower systems offer more sustainable options. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy taps into the heat stored beneath the Earth's surface to generate electricity and provide direct heating. This energy is accessed by drilling wells into geothermal reservoirs to release steam or hot water, which then drives turbines connected to electricity generators. Geothermal energy is highly reliable, providing a constant power supply regardless of weather conditions. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is derived from organic materials such as plants, agricultural residues, and waste. These materials can be burned directly for heat or converted into biofuels for transportation. Biomass energy has the advantage of being carbon neutral, as the carbon dioxide released during combustion is offset by the carbon dioxide absorbed during the growth of the biomass. Technological advancements in renewable energy. The shift to renewable energy is being accelerated by rapid technological advancements. Over the past few decades, we've seen significant improvements in the efficiency, cost, and scalability of renewable energy systems. Let's explore some of the most impactful innovations. Advancements in solar PV technology. The efficiency of photovoltaic cells has increased dramatically, with new materials and manufacturing processes making solar panels more effective and affordable. Thin-film solar cells, for example, are lightweight and flexible, offering more versatile applications compared to traditional silicon-based panels. Additionally, the development of solar concentrators and multi-junction cells has further enhanced the potential of solar power. Wind turbine design and efficiency. Wind turbine technology has also seen remarkable improvements. Modern turbines are taller and equipped with longer blades, allowing them to capture more wind energy even at lower wind speeds. Innovations like floating offshore wind turbines are expanding the potential of wind power to regions that were previously inaccessible, such as deep ocean waters. Battery storage and grid integration. One of the biggest challenges with renewable energy is its intermittent nature. Solar and wind power generation depends on weather conditions and time of day. However, advancements in energy storage technologies, particularly lithium-ion batteries, are addressing this issue by enabling the storage of excess energy for use when generation is low. Additionally, smart grid technologies are enhancing the integration of renewable energy into the electricity grid, improving efficiency and reliability. Geothermal and wave energy exploration. While geothermal energy has been around for decades, new drilling techniques and technologies are making it more accessible and cost-effective. Additionally, research into wave and tidal energy is opening up new possibilities for harnessing the power of the ocean to generate electricity. Challenges in the transition to renewable energy. Despite the promising developments in renewable energy, the transition away from fossil fuels presents several challenges. Let's discuss some of the most significant obstacles. Infrastructure and investment. Transitioning to renewable energy requires massive investments in infrastructure. This includes building new renewable energy plants, upgrading the electricity grid, and developing storage solutions. In many cases, the existing infrastructure is designed for centralized, fossil fuel-based power generation, and adapting it to accommodate decentralized renewable sources can be complex and costly. Intermittency and reliability. As mentioned earlier, the intermittent nature of some renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, poses a challenge to ensuring a consistent power supply. While advancements in energy storage and grid management are helping to mitigate these issues, achieving 100% reliability remains a challenge, particularly in regions with less consistent renewable energy resources. Environmental and social impacts. While renewable energy is much cleaner than fossil fuels, it is not without its environmental and social impacts. For example, large-scale hydropower projects can disrupt ecosystems and displace communities. Wind farms, while generally environmentally friendly, can pose risks to bird and bat populations. It's crucial to carefully assess and manage these impacts to ensure that the transition to renewable energy is truly sustainable. Political and economic barriers. The transition to renewable energy is not just a technical challenge, it's also a political and economic one. In many regions, fossil fuel industries are deeply entrenched, and there are significant economic and political interests that resist the shift to cleaner energy. Policies, subsidies, and market dynamics all play a role in either facilitating or hindering the adoption of renewable energy. The future of renewable energy. Despite these challenges, the future of renewable energy looks incredibly bright. As technologies continue to improve and costs decrease, renewable energy is becoming increasingly competitive with fossil fuels. In some regions, it's already cheaper to build new renewable energy plants than to continue operating existing coal or gas plants. Moreover, public awareness and demand for clean energy are growing. Consumers, businesses, and governments around the world are recognizing the importance of reducing carbon emissions and are taking action to support the transition to renewable energy. This shift is also creating new economic opportunities, from jobs in renewable energy industries to innovations in green technologies. Looking ahead, we can expect to see continued growth in renewable energy capacity, driven by both technological advancements and supportive policies. The development of next-generation technologies, such as advanced nuclear reactors, hydrogen fuel cells, and artificial photosynthesis, could further expand the possibilities for clean energy production. Conclusion: powering the future. As we've explored today, renewable energy is not just a technological innovation, it's a critical component of a sustainable future. The transition to renewable energy offers the potential to reduce our carbon footprint, protect the environment, and create a more resilient and equitable energy system. However, this transition requires continued investment, innovation, and collaboration across sectors and borders. At Sci Discovery Chronicles, we believe that understanding the science behind these technologies is key to making informed decisions and driving positive change. By embracing renewable energy, we can power a future that is not only brighter but also cleaner and more sustainable for all. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of renewable energy. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sci Discovery Chronicles for more explorations into the science that shapes our world. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep discovering.